Before you buy a home in the Villages, Florida, don't make these 5 mistakes. They're the ones we see the buyers fall into all the time, and they can cost you thousands of dollars, months of frustration, and even turn your dream move into a nightmare. This video will help you roll into the right home in the right location with clarity and confidence. Thinking about making a move to the Villages, Florida? Whether it's golf cart living, hidden costs, or the lifestyle secret no one tells you, this channel is your go-to guide. We break down the ins, the outs, and everything in between, so you can feel confident about your next step. So if you want to stay up to date on the latest changes in the Villages, Florida real estate market, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications now, so you never miss a thing. I'm David G, your local Villages, Florida real estate expert, and every day we get texts, calls, emails, and Zoom invites from people just like you looking to make the move to the Villages, Florida. If that's you, drop into the description below for all our contact information. So whether you're moving in 3 days or 3 months, whether it's from across the country, across the world, or even across town, we're here to make it smooth, simple, and exactly what you want it to be. Mistake number 1, not using a local specialist. Buying in the Villages, Florida isn't like buying in Orlando or Tampa. This is a one-of-a-kind community with very unique closing fees, including the CDD and amenities. On top of that, some villages allow fenced yards, some have natural gas service, and others don't. A local expert also knows where the sewer stations are, the transfer stations, and even where the nearby penitentiary are all located at. Things most out-of-area agents won't mention. So the bottom line is, use a realtor who knows the layout, the rules, and the lifestyle of every village here in the Villages, Florida. Mistake number 2, not understanding CDD bonds and maintenance costs. Not every home in the Villages has a bond, but many do, and the amount can vary greatly depending on the location. So here's a quick breakdown of bond balances according to area. South of State Road 44, between $20,000 and $70,000. South of County Road 466A, between $20,000 and $40,000. Between County Road 466 and County Road 466A, $10,000 to $30,000. And north of County Road 466, anywhere between paid and $15,000. Now the CDD bond is a one-time infrastructure cost, paid over time unless paid off early. The annual maintenance fee covers the things like landscaping, common area upkeep, and more. Always ask for the exact bond balance and annual maintenance fee before making any kind of offer. Mistake number 3, rushing without exploring the area. The Villages covers over 55 square miles, and each area offers something different. The north, mature landscaping and charm. The central, Lake Sumter Landing, medical access and recreation. And the south, newer homes and easy access to I-75 and the Turnpike. So before you fall in love with the finishes inside of a home, explore town squares, recreation centers, medical facilities, golf courses, and shopping areas. Lifestyle and convenience matter just as much as the floor plan. Mistake number 4, overlooking major systems. A beautiful kitchen won't help much if your HVAC fails in the month. So ask for the ages of your roof, your HVAC, your hot water heater, and your major appliances. And always get inspections, including a 4-point and a wind mitigation inspections. These not only protect you, but can also impact your insurance costs. And mistake number 5, skipping a buyer strategy session. Most people start with Home Finder, Zillow, or Homes.com, but listings alone won't tell you everything. A proper strategy session covers first your financial options, either finance or cash. Second, desired home style and features, such as vaulted ceilings, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, lot type, and privacy level. Number 3, lifestyle preferences, proximities to golf, recreation, and social activities. And fourth, but not the least, is to create a timeline, even if you're months away from buying. This step saves time, avoids costly mistakes, and ensures you only touring homes that truly fit. When you work with me, you get more than a realtor. You get a team who understands every nuance of the Villages lifestyle. We'll make sure that your home fits your lifestyle, your priorities, and your budget, so you can start your next chapter here with clarity and confidence.